My name is Isikile Vulavou. I am from Fiji. I am Fiji's representative to the Pacific Sexual Diversity Network, and I'm also the founding director and president of the Rainbow Pride Foundation. One of the major achievements in the recent years was in 2010. That was when the current government had passed a crimes decree which decriminalized consensual homosexual sex acts. But this doesn't mean that stigma and discrimination has stopped. It's still happening.
Right.
The other major achievement was the HIV decree, which was also passed by government, I think in 2012 or 2011, and there was a lot of protection clauses for people living with HIV, especially. It still criminalized sex work, and most of the members of our community, specifically the trans women and some trans men, they do sex work. These punitive laws will sort of still restrict them or limit their access to social services, including health. In the Fiji and the Pacific, there's very little data that's available for transgenders, MSM, and the LGBT community in general. The other gap is that we now have a lot of networks and organized groups in Fiji that works in the area of sexual and reproductive health, particularly on HIV for MSM and TGs in Fiji. But most of these organizations, they still lack a lot of capacity. Even most of them they exist as informal networks. And in Fiji, the charitable trust do not see most of the work or the objectives of these organizations as charitable enough for them to register as a charitable trust. That's one of the huge challenges for us getting funds and being recognized for our work, merely because of our legal status. One of my friends who live in Lambasa had rang me up and told me that she was going to the police station to report on a group of students, tertiary students, male students, who had sort of passed snide remarks and slurs, gay slurs, at him in town. And he went and reported it to the police, and the police laughed at him. I think lack of awareness is still one of the major issues, as well of like the legal frameworks that are in place within our community, within the LGBT community. So we are trying to increase awareness to tell them that their rights are protected within the crimes decree, and they can take legal action against those who discriminate against them. The clause within the crimes decree that still criminalizes sex work, that is one of the main work related to legislation that we would like to work on in partnership with networks and organizations in Fiji that are already working with sex workers.